my own dear brother in law. He says he's my older brother. Let it be on record that he's older than me by just 2 weeks.
Have you seen him?
So,
Have you seen Prince?
our leaders,
Okay, all right. I mean,
elders, please permit me to stand on the already established protocol. Delegates, but let me specially recognize another presidential aspirant.
He has withdrawn. He has withdrawn, saying incoming president. He has withdrawn, my friend.
Okay.
He said incoming president. He has withdrawn.
Okay, he has withdrawn. I will just thank you, the delegates. There's really nothing much to say. Nothing much to say. I'll say something now in Yoruba, and that will be just it. Baba sọ pé Seyi Makinde and the delegates from Oyo State, the delegates from the southwest of Nigeria, we are in support Governor Wike. Let's of when only reason. So when people come to canvass for your vote, listen to them, but at the end of the day, tell them this is who we are supporting. Thank you and God bless you.
The incoming president of Your Excellency, our leader, the leader of the West, Governor, please permit me to stand on well-established protocol. My observation won't take your time. I won't respond to other Governor Wike said our incoming president. I won't respond to that. But when we get to where we will respond, we talk. Because he said his junior brother is here. We will see the birth certificate. But there are not issues for him. Have you ever? But I want to make this very clear. I've been here twice for meetings on this issue. And our position there and then was to aggregate, put together the votes of the West. Am I correct? Yes. The votes, delegates to the convention from the West. For the first time, we will go to that convention in one force. And we will hold our meeting here, before we go. Yes, sir. We will not hide our hands. Some people, when they want to do like this, they say they didn't tell me. We will tell you before you go. We will take a position and we will hand over the delegates to our governor. We'll follow. If you like me, follow me. I mean, if you like Governor Wike, follow. But by the grace of God, we will do house meeting before we set out. We will go to Abuja with at least 85 to 90% of our votes in one direction. When you hand over the votes, you can't go and collect it back. I mean, no. You have handed over to him here in my presence. He will bring our own. You know my own is open. He will bring it. If truly you are here, you are part of the West, and we have agreed, every delegate in the West will come here. God will help us. The desires of our heart will be granted. Somebody said, you go and print card for friend of the president. Is presidency not there? Fayose, go and print card, friend of the president. Why did they not say president of council? A friend of council, friend of president. I know Otuba Fashawe, I know what to use with that kind of card. But that one is another day.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.